If you're looking to maximize your partnership management, knowing how to use PartnerStack's partner support features is a game changer. In this quick guide, we'll walk you through how these tools can elevate your partnership game, whether you're managing a large affiliate network or just getting started. Stick with me till the end, because I'll share an exclusive bonus on how to use PartnerStack for free. Yes, that's right, with extended trials that you won't find elsewhere. PartnerStack's partner support features help streamline communication, provide tailored assistance, and ensure smooth collaboration with your partners. The first thing you'll notice when you log in is the intuitive dashboard, designed to give you a bird's eye view of all your partners. From here, you can quickly access tools for managing partner requests, handling support tickets, and reviewing performance metrics. The support center is where you'll spend a lot of time when managing partner relationships. This feature allows you to handle incoming inquiries or issues quickly. PartnerStack lets you create custom ticket categories to better organize and prioritize these requests. Each ticket comes with clear tags, so you can assign them to the right team member instantly, ensuring quick resolution and efficient tracking, whether your partners have questions about commissions, payouts, or technical issues. The support center helps you keep everything organized and ensures nothing slips through the cracks. What sets PartnerStack apart is the ability to build a knowledge base for your partners. You can create articles or guides that answer the most common questions, which helps reduce the number of incoming support requests. This is especially helpful for partners who prefer self-service and want to quickly find answers without waiting for a response. Next up is the Partner Communication Tool. It's an easy way to stay in touch with your partners. You can send bulk messages or targeted messages to specific partners or groups, whether it's a monthly newsletter, an update on new offers, or a special promotion. Plus, PartnerStack's automated notifications will alert partners about their performance milestones, like when they earn a new commission or reach a new tier in your program. Another powerful feature is the Partner Support Dashboard, which gives you detailed insights into partner activity and satisfaction. You'll see how quickly support tickets are being resolved, track the number of interactions, and monitor the overall satisfaction levels of your partners. This helps you identify areas that need improvement, whether it's your support system, your communication strategy, or your partner onboarding process. Finally, PartnerStack integrates with your existing tools, like Slack or email, to ensure seamless communication. You can create integrations that send tickets or requests directly to your team's chat, so support is always just a message away. If you're managing multiple partners, keeping track of individual conversations can be tricky. That's why PartnerStack allows you to filter and search through all conversations, making it easy to find specific requests or partner history. Whether it's an ongoing issue or a new inquiry, you have all the context you need to handle it quickly and professionally. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you that you can start using PartnerStack's partner support features for free through the exclusive link in the description below. Don't forget, this link also unlocks extended trial access, so you can explore all the powerful tools PartnerStack offers at no cost. PartnerStack's partner support features are a must-have for anyone looking to build a seamless partnership program. It's all about creating smoother workflows, delivering better partner experiences, and maintaining communication without the hassle. So, if you're serious about scaling your partnership program, click that link below to get started today. Remember, PartnerStack isn't just another tool, it's your partner in growth, and with our exclusive bonus, you're getting a head start.